Welcome to Lucknow Kya Hai? I'm Ajit Chak and I'm your host for the day. This year, mango lovers have had a hard time in Lucknow. For one thing, the Dasari crop has been extremely disappointing. The first mango to hit the market is actually an import from outside the state, which is called Begumpalli. This is normally used for mango shakes, and the Dasari crop immediately hits the market after that. But untimely rains, change in the weather, the absence of a hot wind which is called the loo has been affecting this crop for a long time. And Khatib Khan, who's a large scale mango farmer from Maliabad, says that the Dasari crop is losing its taste, it's losing its texture because of these changes in climate. Now, the catch word lies here. What we are undergoing is global climate change, and this is due to global warming. And when did global warming actually start? Global warming, they say, began when James Watt discovered the power of steam and Robert Louis Stevenson made an engine. This was the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, and our Industrial Revolution was based on the burning of fossil fuels, which resulted in large scale carbon emissions and damage to the ozone layer, etc., 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 and led to a phenomena called global warming. Now, global warming is something that's global, but what's happening in Lucknow is happening on a local scale. The Dasari mango is not the only crop to be affected by global warming or by climate change. Lucknow had a kharbuza of its own. This kharbuza has virtually vanished because it no longer tastes sweet. The sweetness of the fruit depended on a hot wind that used to blow for a good 15 days, which was called loo. And when this loo stopped blowing, the kharbuza lost its taste. Untimely rain during the time of the Dasari crop also dilutes the sweetness of the Dasari mango. This is what mango farmers like Dharamraj Singh of Hardoi also state. Now, what exactly is happening and how is this going to help our future fruits and our crops? Sunita Narayan is the Director General of the Center for Science and Environment in New Delhi, and she is one of India's leading environmentalists, if not the leading environmentalist. And in her latest editorial in Down to Earth, her magazine, she says that these changes are permanent and for real, and they are not a blip on the weather screen, which means that you have to change your cropping patterns to keep up with global warming. You can expect more rainfall, you can expect more thunderstorms, you can expect more violent dust storms, and you can expect higher temperatures and lower temperatures. So what's happening all the way as far off as Canada and British Columbia, where you have temperatures going up to 48 degrees or 50 degrees centigrade, which is the kind of temperature you would expect, say, in Agra or in Lucknow, is something that is all part of this global weather pattern that's changing. Now, for Lucknowites, or for that matter, mango growers, it's a big challenge. How will they deal with the failure of the Dasari crop? Can they come up with a new hybrid Dasari version which will ripen a little later so that it will retain its flavor and sweetness? Today, Dasari is not the king of mango in Lucknow, but it's another fruit, and this is called the Chausa Aam. The Chausa is a cross between the Banarsi Langla and the Maliabadi Lucknowi Dasari mango. This mango is doing very well right now because it ripens later than the Dasari. And another mango which comes from a dwarf plant, the Amrapali, is also becoming a favorite of mango farmers. In fact, Dharamraj Singh insists that he will go ahead and plant more Amrapali in his village in Hardoi because he feels that mango has more of a future than the Dasari right now. The Dasari is a hot selling item that is almost as popular as the Alfonso mango which comes from Bombay. Now, how do the farmers, or for that matter our agriculture research institutes, come up with a plan to save the Dasari with weather changing at this speed? This is the big question. For Lucknow walas, however, a sorry mango season. Hopefully, next year farmers will have found a solution to this, and hopefully they may get a better dasari to eat. Namaskar.